In a previous video, I showed a feature that was recently introduced in the 1.10 version of Noteey, and it was the cloud sync functionality where if you have multiple devices, you can keep them in sync by using this particular feature. Now, I wanted to show another option on how you can be a little bit more targeted on which projects that you send out there, either in the scenario where these two devices might be out of sync and you for some reason just can't do the full synchronization process using the cloud storage, or if you just simply want to share the actual project with someone else who may have Noteey. Now, in order to do that, what I can do is I can come in here and I can create a test project. And we'll just call it test project 1. It can have a card in here. Let's just put one in here. Call it test, and we'll just leave it at there just to keep it simple. So we have this test project, and if we want to share this out, basically all we need to do is go into it, go to the share option here, and instead of doing publish to web, we keep it here on this export feature here, and we export a local copy. The good thing here with this local copy is it's almost like exporting an Excel file or a PowerPoint file. When you do the export, it's basically backing up that particular project to a format that can then be imported at the other side. And that other side could be you on another device where the cloud storage sync, for whatever reason, it will not work for you. If you need to do a quick email or something of this file to someone else and have them see everything that you've put into this project, they would also need to have Noteey in order to import it, but you still can kind of send these files around as if they were similar to Word files or PDFs and things like that. This will definitely not give them any kind of collaboration type features where you can both and everyone can be in the same project at the same time. But again, this will give them that one-off view of what you were thinking, everything on your board, so that they can at least get an idea of what you put together in that particular project. Now, let's go ahead and look at this from the perspective of someone that doesn't have this project. Because I've already did the export, I can actually come in here and just delete this. I'll go into the library and I'll delete the test card as well. And if I come back to project, we can see that I do not have that test project 1 anymore. Now, if I want to import that, we can come in here to import. I can pick that project. And when I import it in, it takes me directly to the project after it does the import. That was pretty quick, but I only have one card in here, and there's really nothing there for it to struggle with. And if I go back to the projects, we can see that that is there. And as I mentioned before, the test card has been restored into here as well. And I say restored only because I've had it previously, but if someone never had it before, then it just pulls it in and does the import as it needs to, and imports any relevant files and content that came along with that export of that project. So now this project has been imported. It is local to your system, so there is no sharing over the internet, so there are no links to be exposed to anybody. They have a full copy, and you have a full copy of the project that you can then from this point edit it however you want to. So I just wanted to show this because I did not show it in the other video. When I looked for it, actually I did not even think to look in the share option here for it. Typically when I go in here, I'm going in here to publish to web, so I completely missed the fact that I could export the project from here into this local copy format. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. If you found value in this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and until the next time, have a nice day.